What's up? What's up? What's up, YouTube? Well, we finally got in. It's about 6:15. Me and my son's been out here since probably about 2 o'clock. Yeah, my camera's... Yeah, me and my son's been out here since about 2 a.m. this morning. But yeah, finally got in our little spots. Got in, got our little spots. I told you he's got these 22-inch Dayton's mustard and mayonnaise. But oh yeah. Yeah, a lot of people are starting to show up. You can see we got that first dibs. Ain't but 2 of us out here today, but I'm sure a few people we know are gonna show up. But yeah, they're coming in deep. But yeah, just wanted to let y'all know we here, we out here, and we gonna get things situated. Now I got to get me something to eat. I am starving, man. Super hungry. Right next here to the old roller coaster, classic coaster. But yeah, let me turn this bad baby off and get ready to... There she goes. Yes, sir. All right, YouTube, I'll get back with you in a minute. All right, Tube, we back. They're pulling in, man. They're pulling in. Let me show you. Get that truck. That's nice. I think that's the one I saw yesterday. Oh, yes. It's looking good. Yeah. Man, this place is getting ready to just blow up real quick. Ooh, that's nice. 71 SS Chevelle. Yeah, man. That's really nice. Wheelwood brakes on it. Nice color. All right, man. It is locked?
Yeah.
Oh, you gotta be kidding me.
Yeah. I shouldn't have had
coffee. What's up, YouTube? I'm back. Man, they're starting to get in here. They're coming in. I'm gonna walk over here real quick. My son's taking a look at this this Malibu. Man, this thing is nice. Love those wheels on here. Watch this. Check this out. Yeah, you see? Everybody's starting to pile in here now. Yeah, this is nice. Woo, man. Oh, he's got the staggered wheels on there too?
Yeah.
Those rims fit this car perfect. Oh, I see, yeah, he's got the black Malibu stripe down there.
Yeah.
Man, that's nice.
I didn't check out.
Yeah.
Oh yeah, you see this truck? Nice.
That's nice. Kind of look like our pulley system right there.
Yeah.
Yeah.
He stayed carbureted.
Yeah. And he's got the chrome intake.
Yeah.
That's different. I probably would have went black just to match the
I
rest
think
of.
my favorite part is where he put his fire extinguisher. That fire extinguisher mount right there is great.
But that's where the fire gonna be.
Yeah.
You gotta
And
get.
you see his wiring. He got his little fuse holder there. His wire's tucked behind the fender, so all you can see is just the little, that's a nice little touch.
Oh
too.
yeah. These custom seats, huh? Those are nice.
Different cost.
Yeah. He's got the Malibu stitching on there. Yeah, this is nice. Oh man, this trunk is really done up. Man, this trunk is really done up. Malibu. I like the way he did he took all the chrome off
Chrome
and
blacked it out,
put
yeah.
the black, the black,
A lot of people are doing that now. I like it.
yeah. Is yours a SS?
No.
No. Yeah.
Oh, it's beautiful, man.
Oh, this is nice,
Yeah.
man. Really nice.
I have the same one, all original. It's not an SS though. Still
Yeah.
has a 263 in it. I just can't bring myself to messing with it.
Yeah. I see you added just a hint of chrome on there, though, huh?
Yeah, I've got chrome headlight bezels. I've gone.
Oh,
back and forth. I've kind of toned it down a little bit.
Yeah.
yeah.
I bought the car like this. I didn't. So I did the headlights and some other stuff. I've only owned it a month.
Oh, a month. Oh, okay.
It was finished like 4 years ago. Guy never drove it. Sitting on jack stands with the wheels off it. And it's got all
Really?
the suspension done. Yeah. So I was gonna build one and started looking, and then my friend worked with this guy. And once I saw this, I was like, well, that's what I'm gonna try and duplicate. So
Yeah,
I
yeah.
don't necessarily have time.
Saved yourself a lot of headache too,
A
huh?
lot of time, yeah.
Yeah,
Just
a lot of
getting
time,
it out,
yeah.
No, he did a good job. He didn't build the motor though, so kind of reverse engineered, figure out, but it's a healthy motor.
Right.
Probably 450 horse.
Yeah. No, this is nice.
And he was cool. He did all the wire harness. He gave me all the wiring diagrams and stuff that he made. So we spent 3 hours going over all the little. See, it's got a secret tool compartment in the back, and it's
Oh, wow.
tools and everything in there.
Wow. So it sounds like you put a lot of time
Yeah.
and thought in building it. Then,
Yeah,
sweet.
him and I are both diesel technicians, so everything he did was kind of how I would do it.
Right.
Everything's perfect.
So did you say you're not doing much more to it, or are you just gonna?
I'm just enjoying it right
Just
now.
enjoying
It doesn't
it, yeah.
have disc in the rear.
Okay, yeah.
Not
yeah.
much. My buddies over here got trying to talk me into building an LS motor.
LS in it, yeah.
Turbo.
Or some turbos on there, man.
Yeah.
Twin turbos on there. That'll set
My
it.
buddy's got the black one. I've met him through a bunch of car shows here.
Yeah, we
Casey.
spoke with him last year.
Casey,
Yeah.
he's like,
Yeah.
I got a motor in my basement. And I'm like,
Oh, right.
I'm not messing with it yet.
He's actually supposed to be dipping. I got a Maserati and I put a Tesla screen in there, and he's supposed to be dipping my screen for me, my little bezel rather. So I know
like
he,
his,
he was telling us last year he did his. Yeah. Yeah, sometimes when you buy cars that are built like this, you kind of want to put your own little touch to it. That's why I was asking, are you planning on doing anything different to it? Just
I don't know yet.
yeah.
Just kind of, like I said, it had H4 conversion headlights in it, and I got these just because they were a little black.
I like the black.
Yeah, I don't know.
Yeah, well, it's nice, man. You're right. Yeah, you got to enjoy it for a while first before
Yeah.
you decide to go digging into it. All right, you guys take care.
Thank you.
Yep. Yeah, I like those.
Yeah.
Got those wide tires in the back too. I know you're not a big fan of that staggered look, but
So that stagger look there is good.
that looks nice.
That-
Yeah.
that
Well,
looks nice.
especially on a
that.
small,
On a small
short car like that. Yeah.
I'm not a fan of that, low down rate,
Yeah. Yeah.
I think he was those 20s and 18s or 20s and 19s.
That looks like 19s on the back, or 20s on the back with 19s. Yeah.
Yeah, see, I can do that.
That.
It's not.
Nice. Oh yeah.
I'm liking those big face rims. Like that full face.
Oh yeah, yeah. The full face rim. Yeah.
Yeah, see that Camaro Club parks there. That's their spot every year.
Oh yeah. So see if you can get in it, man. Just pull up your Camaro.
Yeah, if I did that, I'd have cars spread all across this.
You're like, man, I'm in a Camaro Club, an Impala Club, Delta 88 Club, Box Chevy Club, an SS Impala Club. I'm in a
That's what we
Malibu
need.
Club. Oh, those there? Yeah. Yeah. Pink Cadillac riding down the streets. Uh-oh. It's the Camaro Club right there. Watch out, son. You got
Oh, yeah.
a car coming behind you. Oh. It's an IROC. This is the one that that looks like the one that
No,
Put the-
no, it was this one.
it was just the blue. I remember the blue, yeah. Yeah, because I remember he had the painting on the the deal there, the pinstriping. This the motor you have?
I have it sitting on the ground, but my Camaro has a regular 350 in it.
Oh, regular. Okay.
The IROCs came with these tune port ones,
Yeah.
the same as a Corvette.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Are all of them? Oh, they're all T-tops, huh?
Yeah. This one at the end might be hard top.
Yeah.
Oh, that's nice.
What's that?
Like he put that cup holder.
Oh,
in
that
the
cup
middle.
holder right there. Yeah. It's perfect.
Yeah, I didn't.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Okay, now I got to see this couple. Dude, yeah, they don't.
Oh, they all got the pinstriping.
Yeah.
So this is more like yours here with the.
Yeah. Mine just
Man, I ain't never seen a.
Feeling
I've never seen an alternator that small, man. That thing is
It's
tiny.
the same alternator I got.
It just looks small compared to the engine.
Yeah.
That's a high amp. 220.
That thing looks small, man. It's nice though.
Bobby. I'm at the show. How that works.
Yeah,
Oh,
man. There are a lot of cars piling
I
in.
believe I did.
This is
Let me call Sean.
this is
All
just Friday, so
But
it's Friday, Saturday, and Sunday. Tomorrow's gonna be crazy. We might have to just get a hotel tomorrow so we can get out here. Oh, you did?
Yeah.
That's sick. Go take vacation. Yeah, you got 400 hours.
Let's see. What is it? Sean running?
Wow, let me show you guys here. Look at this. This is nice here.
Hey, Sean, this is Patrick. Hey, I filled out a slip but forgot to turn it in. I left it in my
Really
truck.
nice.
Can you put me down for 6 weeks today? I know I'm kind of late. Because I was gonna planning on taking today off. I had told Josh already. Huh?
Uh-oh.
SB. Well, no, I was gonna turn a vacation slip, but because I didn't turn it in, you. Oh, okay. Or you can just put me down for sick too, right? Okay. Okay, just put me down for sick leave today. I'll say the vacation. Hey, so while I got you on the phone, Clevia has a Sea Prayer event next Thursday and Friday. They're looking for me to come out there and help. They said I have to double check with my supervisor if I can do that.
Yeah.
Okay.
Nice truck.
Yep, I'll get you all the
GMC.
any work order numbers or anything like that that may be associated with it. Okay. All right, sounds good. All right. Thank you. Bye. See, I gotta stop listening to Josh. You still recording?
Yeah.
Oh, yeah.
All right, Facebook. We finna go breakfast, man. Something to eat. Hopefully I don't get copyrighted with this music playing, but I'll get back with you in a minute. Peace out. Yeah, we're getting ready to get some breakfast here. Let's see. There you go. Put your order in. Nice Cadillac.
Last